What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen. So, the Animal Farm, the most anticipated project in the last 15 decades. You know, that's an exaggeration, but you know what the heck I mean. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys my whole thought process on the Animal Farm, how it's been going so far. I've been in it for a little bit over a week now. I want to say it's been released, and some people have had some questions about it. Some people are kind of disappointed. Some people are very hopeful. I'm going to give you guys my perspective on it, if I'm still very bullish on it, if I am disappointed, whatever the heck. But it's going to be a lit video, so smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe bell and turn on the post notification. Hit the subscribe bell? You know what I meant. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, because I'm dropping straight gems, and you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop these gems, because these are the type of gems that you kill people over. You know what I'm saying? But you don't have to kill anybody for it. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Y'all see I'm not wearing the robe today. A lot of people say they like the robe, but I had to give the robe a break. You know what I'm saying? It was in too many of my thumbnails. But without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. Wait, before we get into the video, y'all know what I gotta do, but I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna just show you something. You know what I'm saying? Let me just pull this up actually, really quickly. So let's look at this, right? This coin, it's doing nice. You see a lot of green. You see it's a big green candlesticks going up very, very high. Can anybody guess where I called this on my Patreon? Like $5 to anybody who can guess where I called this on my Patreon. You know, you can't guess? Let me show you. So let's say we're on the 4-hour time frame. Let's come down here. Actually, you cannot even see it here. That's actually funny. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Let's zoom out a little bit. Anybody can guess where I called it from now? Yes, this little line over here. This little line right here is where I called it on my Patreon last night, 19 hours ago. Zoom out. See the blue line still right there? Yep. You see it still? It's kind of hard to see. It's still down there. But this is where the price is at right now. We have over 10x our money. I think it's at 11 or 12x right now. In the past 19 hours was absolutely ridiculous. The Patreon people is eating. That's all I'm saying. That's all I've got to say. You know what I'm saying? If you want to join, you can join. If you don't want to join, you still need these free gems, you know what I'm saying? But if you do want to join, patreon.com/JuperGems. It's inside the description down below. It's also inside the comments down below. But now let's get into this big body banger, you know what I'm saying? All right, so boom, the Animal Farm. If you've been keeping up with the Animal Farm drip overall, the Animal Farm is actually made by the creator of Drip. I'm not going to go into what exactly the Animal Farm is too in depth, but if you watch this video, you probably already know what the Animal Farm is. So a couple things that have happened, right? So the pig token and there's a dog token. We have a bunch of farms, we have a bunch of pools. I invested roughly like $20,000 inside here overall. Very excited for it. I'm still very excited for it, but a lot of people had some questions. They've had a couple of doubts because basically what was portrayed is that you hold the pig token. I'm not even saying what's portrayed because this is exactly what's happening. It's just people thought they was finna 100x their money within 2 days or whatever. I don't know, but kind of like what I did with that other coin. Crazy. Anyways, so we have the pig token. The pig is the governance token, and basically holding the pig token will get you a share of all this BUSD right here. So all this total value locked. There's every single time somebody goes into these farms, any of these different farms, the dogs BUSD, the dogs BNB, the drip BUSD, whatever it is, there's a little fee that gets taken out, and that fee goes into a whole pool that is paid out to the pig holders and the pig stakers. If you put your pig inside the pig pen, you'll earn some BUSD off of it. Now, people assume that they'll be making millions of dollars from staking their 3 pigs inside the pig pen, when I'm not gonna lie, I thought I'd be at $1 billion right now. I'm not gonna lie, but you have to understand, it's if we literally come right to the homepage, we have already has been awarded out $1.4 million. They have $3.5 million left in the vault to still award out to the pig stakers. So this is a long-term project. This is not a quick flip, make $1 million and go buy yourself a Lamborghini type of thing. This is a long staking project that will pay off in the end. So my strategy moving forward with this is understanding that I'm not going to be rich overnight. You know what I'm saying? I'm very, very bullish on the actual developer of this project. Every single project that he's made has done absolutely amazing. I'm bullish on it. Like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying go do this. I'm not saying none of that. I'm simply just giving my opinion on it. Do I look at me? Honestly, do I look like a financial advisor? I'm wearing a do-rag. It's not even tied. I just threw it on the top of my head. It has 2 colors. I couldn't even figure out what color I wanted. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a financial advisor. We're just friends. You know what I'm saying? But back to what I was saying. This is a long-term game for me. This is not a quick flip. It's a long-term game. And what I am doing is accumulating as many pig tokens as possible. Actually, excuse me, I actually have the pig chart up here right now. If we look, it launched over here at I forget, I think it was like $30 when I saw when it launched. And then it had went all the way up to almost $1,000 each. I remember seeing it at, I think it might have touched $1,000 quickly and then sold off, and now it's chilling at the 275 area. Which is still kind of a good number. I'm still accumulating it. A lot of people are asking me, am I buying more? My dollar cost averaging in? Am I selling the pigs when I get them from the farms? I'm still putting money in here. I'm buying pigs literally almost every single day at these prices. And Forex put out a pretty bullish announcement this morning, which I'll get into a little bit later on in this video. But as of right now, my strategy is accumulating as many pigs as possible. And how I'm doing that is from first, actually buying them with fiat money from my drip. Right now drip is paying me out, let's just see really quickly. It's paying me out roughly 25 or 2,800 a day. I usually just airdrop half of it and then I'll claim the rest, but I kind of have a lot of BUSD stacked up right now, so I'm really airdropping most of it to my team. I have a lot of people in my team. A lot of people asking about airdrops. I do them literally every single day. I'm giving away thousands and thousands of dollars, but yet people still DM me, where's my airdrop? I'm like, bro, it just randomly sends out to, I choose it to randomly send out to 20 people every single day. So if your time is coming, just be patient. Your time is coming, but I am doing them. I'll do them on camera one of these days in case y'all don't believe me. But anyways, I'm not here to prove nothing because I know what I do and God knows what I do. But back to what I was saying. I'm accumulating the pigs by buying them with my drip tokens sometimes because I have other BUSD. And I'm also using the farms down here. So right now, what I found to be the best farms for me personally is this Dogs WBNB. This is the best farm so far for me. I was in the Dogs BUSD. I might go back in there, but it was actually kind of weird. So if you go on the pools, right? The Dogs, the APR that was saying was a lot higher than the Dogs BUSD. So I moved all my funds into the Dogs, just the single staking Dogs pool. But it's not really playing out that much. So I'm going to harvest all this, unstake it, and then split it and put it right into the Dogs BUSD pool. But this one right here has been the best for me. This Dogs WBNB pool. I'm also in the Drip BUSD pool. So these are kind of my main ones that I'm using. I'm not using any of these down here. They are offering some pretty good APRs, but at the same time, I would rather just use these core ones with 0 deposit fees. These have 4% deposit fees. These have 0. So that's what I'm doing. And as you see, it's earning pigs. And basically every day or every other day, I'll just click harvest right here, and I'll just stick them right into the pig pen. Right now I'm sitting on a little bit over 52 pig stake. I want to get to around 100, and then I'll kind of slow down on the dollar cost averaging of the pig tokens themselves. The dog token has also been on a slight decline. I haven't really been doing anything with dogs except for staking them. I'm really not sure what I want to do moving forward with these dog tokens. I'm kind of just playing it by ear right now. Like I said, Forex did put out something on his Telegram. Let me pull it over here so you guys can see it. He put out this post yesterday. Oh, sorry, this morning. Let me read it. I don't have my glasses. I don't even wear glasses. I'm in the process of wrapping up a revised white paper, cutting out all of the irrelevant information regarding L1 and updating the current info about the animal farm. I will also be adding all the info about the new pigs contract we are launching very soon that will give a short-term play on pigs for people who don't see the long-term value of the pig pen. I'm telling y'all, it's a long-term game, not a short-term, but he is giving you paper-handed people a short-term play. From what I understand, we can actually read it. The new contract is similar to the Drip Garden, where you can earn up to 3% daily ROI, non-inflationary, but with a time lockup multiplier where you can increase your buying power for time locking your harvest. The longer you time lock your harvest, the higher the multiplier is on your deposit. So what I'm kind of getting from this, what is kind of coming, is you're going to be able to stake your pig tokens for, let's say, 3% APR every single day. Keep in mind, the pig pen does not offer a specific set amount. It does not say it's going to give you 1% a day, 2% a day, 5% a day. You're just getting money based off of the amount of pig tokens that you hold. You're getting a cut of the pie of the deposit fees from the farms. That's basically how it works. But what he's saying here is going to be another thing where you can, another utility for your pig tokens, where you're able to maybe stake it and then lock up the harvesting funds. You're not really locking up your tokens. You're locking up the ability to harvest for a certain amount of time. And the more time you put, the higher the multiplier will be. So let's say you lock it in there for 30 hours and you get a 5x multiplier, earning 3% every single day. Or you could lock it up for 30 days and get a 15x multiplier, before you can harvest it, and you're earning 3% daily off of that. So that's kind of what I'm seeing, or kind of what I'm getting from this whole thing. Obviously, you guys can read this through. You can pause the video and read this through if you're not in the Fork Shark Telegram. I think it's also inside the Animal Farm Telegram as well. Yes, the pinned comment. So you guys can go read that if you guys want. All their links is in the and it's on their Twitter on Twitter. You know what the heck it is. But right now, that is my whole plan, my whole strategy with the Animal Farm. I'm really just, it's literally only been a week, so I'm really just kind of letting it rock. I'm really curious to see what's gonna go on in the future. They said they have a lot of partnerships coming out with a bunch of different other projects that'll also give a bunch more utility for the pig tokens. And keep in mind, it is almost 75% down from the all-time high, so I do expect the pig token to go up much higher. That's why I have no problem continuing to buy the pig token, continue to just build my position in the pig pen overall. But let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. This is the end of the video. Are you guys still bullish on the Animal Garden? Are you scared? You know, if you're scared, let me know. What are you scared of? You scared of losing money? We lose money every day, but guess what? We make even more money every single day. You know what I'm saying? But let me know y'all thoughts for real on the Animal Farm. How has it been treating you so far? I've been hearing mixed reviews. I hear some people making thousands a day. Some people lost all their money. Some people is sad and mad, and people is just, I don't know what the heck going on with people, but I know what's going on with me. I'm here for the long run. You know what I'm saying? But for real, let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. If you guys have any questions on anything, feel free to hit me up. Also, if you want to sign up for my Patreon, it's the first link inside the description, or go to patreon.com/JubriousGems. We're eating in there. We're all making some pretty solid money. And yeah, that's about it. Good luck on your trades, good luck on your crypto, good luck on your mama house. Well, I'm always talking about your mom. Good luck on your daddy house. Good luck on your dad's business. You know what I'm saying? Good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.